Welcome to your daily math video. Our purpose is to give you a little cognitive shot, boost your confidence, and help you connect with your family to discuss the solution. Now, take a look at this little interesting brainy activity. Think carefully and try to solve it in your mind. You may use your calculator, tablet, or grab a pen and paper if you like. Here are your choices. Look closely, take your time, think again.
Let's excitedly walk through the step-by-step solution of this problem.
This problem is a slight variation of problem 20, but this small change completely alters the solution. Step 1. Factorize the numerator. Step 2. Divide both sides by a squared. Step 3. Use the identity. A squared minus 1 is equal to a minus 1 multiplied by a plus 1. We get an equation. A multiplied by a minus 1 multiplied by a plus 1 divided by a plus 1 is equal to 1. Step 4. Cancel a plus 1. We get a times a minus 1 equals 1. Step 5. Expand a squared minus a equals 1. And bring all terms to one side, which gives a squared minus a minus 1 equals 0. Step 6. Solve using quadratic formula, and we get following roots. Step 7. Check excluded value, a equals 0, due to cancellation of a squared. Substitute a equals 0 in original equation. 0 to the 5th minus 0 cubed over 0 plus 1 equals 0, which satisfies given equation. Hence, final answer is a equals 0 and a equals 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. And therefore, correct choice is C.
So, did you find the video helpful? Was your solution the same or a little different? If you liked the video, don't forget to share it with your loved ones and let them know they're on your mind. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.